Okay guys, how are y'all doing today? So today we'll be removing our deck spindle from our Troy-Bilt Bronco riding mower. Bearings are shot, so we need to change the spindle. So here's the new spindle we'll be putting on. And first thing we'll need to do is to remove the blade, which this bolt is a 22mm bolt, so we'll need to remove that first, get the blade off, and then we can pull these 14mm bolts right here. We got 1, 2, 4, about 5 of those. 4, about 4. So we need to pull those 4 bolts, and then we can get the spindle off and replace the spindle. Okay guys. So my bad guys, actually you're going to need a 24mm socket. So now we're going to use our 14mm to pull those 4 bolts to get the spindle out. Or 13mm, my bad guys. So 13 and a 22mm. So now all you gotta do guys is lift that out of place and replace it with your new one and bolt it up and do the reverse of everything we just did. So stay tuned guys. So here we are guys, installing the new spindle. So you just want to line everything up. And then you just bolt everything up back guys, and that is it. Okay guys, here we got all our bolts back in, so we just need to tighten them down. And then we can put back our blade on. Now we just line up our blade and we put on our locking nut. So that's it, guys. That's how you replace your blade spindle on your Troy-Bilt Bronco. It may be the same process for a lot of these riding tractors or riding mowers. And another tip, which I will shoot in the next video, is greasing the spindle. So you want to get some grease on there, guys. That's why usually they go out after a while, you know, that heat dissipates it. So please stay tuned for that video when I show y'all how to grease your spindles. God bless, guys. Y'all have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all our subscribers. Thanks to all our viewers. Y'all are greatly appreciated. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Y'all have a great day.